Get ready to soar. Today, we're meeting 10 amazing African birds with cool colors, fun sounds, and wild facts. Let's fly in. Number 1 is African Gray Parrot. Amazing fact, one of the most intelligent bird species in the world, can learn hundreds of words and use them in context. Number 2 is Secretary Bird. Amazing fact, it hunts snakes on foot and can deliver a deadly stomp with lightning-fast legs. Number 3 is Lilac-breasted Roller. Amazing fact, known as Africa's most colorful bird, it can perform acrobatic rolls in the air during courtship displays. Number 4 is Ostrich. Amazing fact, the largest bird in the world. It can't fly, but it can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Number 5 is Southern Ground Hornbill. Amazing fact, they live in family groups and have a deep booming call that can be heard 3 kilometers away. Number 6 is Malachite Kingfisher. Amazing fact, tiny but dazzling, this bird dives headfirst into water to catch fish with incredible precision. Number 7 is African Fish Eagle. Amazing fact, called the Voice of Africa for its iconic, echoing call, it's a master at snatching fish from lakes mid-flight. Number 8 is Weaver Bird. Amazing fact, males weave intricate hanging nests from grass to impress females, some even build multiple homes. Number 9 is Guinea Fowl. Amazing fact, they look like spotted chickens and are natural pest controllers, eating ticks and insects wherever they roam. Number 10 is Crowned Crane. Amazing fact, this elegant bird dances to communicate, spreading its wings, leaping, and bobbing its golden crown of feathers.